Kaizer Chiefs are playing Imakesi this upcoming weekend, Saturday, 6 o'clock, Moses Mabhida Stadium. We are here to do a lineup prediction. Coach Cedric Kaza and also Coach Khalil Ben Youssef. I'm hoping you guys are going to drop your own lineup prediction and scoreline prediction in the comments. And also like the video as well. It's very important. Okay, but for two, let's begin. Imakesi is a team that is number 16 in the league. They have 14 points, and teams that are above them are only 4 points above them. Like, they have 18 points. So this means that the Magesi is a team that has not given up yet, I would believe, because they are within 4 points with the teams that are above them. So I don't think they've given up yet. They're gonna fight in this game, so it's going to be very difficult for Kaizer Chiefs to take all 3 points from Magesi. But again, I hope my team, Kaizer Chiefs, will beat Imagesi. This is a team every relegation. Let's beat them, collect all 3 points. Ukuze nathi mayiphela league sibe number 3 at least. Okay, in goals we're gonna start with Bruce Vuma. As you guys know, Brandon Peterson, our best goalkeeper, is unavailable, still nursing an injury. Our second choice goalkeeper, Bruce Vuma, is stepping up, and last game he kept a clean sheet, so I think they will play him again. And Dylan Solomons on the right as the right back. He has been our best right back this season, so I think he's gonna start again. Last game did have a good game, so he starts again. Left back, should I start Umarko or I start Cross? Cross has been my best left back. I think I prefer him over Umarko, so Bradley Cross starts. You can start Umarko as well, there's nothing wrong with that, but I prefer Bradley Cross. Okay, center backs will be Inacio Miguel, and also Zita Winika. This center back pairing has been working very well this season. If you guys have noticed, whenever these two are playing, Miguel and Quinica playing together, we are more likely to keep a clean sheet. Yes, we have considered sometimes, but again, whenever these two are playing together, we are more likely to keep a clean sheet. Inacio Miguel, I know that abanye abantu abamthandi bathi udlala wrestling okanye udlala rugby. He plays dirty sometimes. He has to. You need a player who's like that sometimes, because kubanzima, and players have to react quickly. And if you look at where as fouls azenzayo uzenza kwi-position ezikanjani, it's never in the box. It's never too close to the box. It's always a bit far away from the box. So it's calculated tackles, and he's very smart, and that's why we've been keeping clean sheet clear corner. So it's very important that you have a player that plays dirty sometimes. So Miguel has been that guy for us, and I think we need to give him more respect. And let's continue with the lineup. Lebohang Mabue as the number 6. He has been our best number 6. Last match he got the man of the match, fully deserved. This guy has been amazing for us. He starts again. Okay, I would have preferred ukumdlala noThulani Mabaso for this game, kodwa I know they're gonna play Undlovu, and Undlovu did not play bad last game. He kind of did have a good game as well. So President Ndlovu starts, and then I'm gonna bring back the man himself. Because of the man I'm gonna play up front, I have to bring back this man, Sirino. Gaston Sirino as a 10. Shabalala can come on in the second half to be an impact player. Okay, Gaston Sirino has all that experience. He knows how to slow down the game. He knows how to pass. He can shoot, take a responsibility himself. So we need that kind of experience in that middle of the park. And Shabalala is the guy othanda ukudlala i-1-2 and then make a quick run. I need him to be behind and feed this guy and ezomdlala as a striker. So Gaston Sirino, I think he will do that job perfectly. So Gaston Sirino is a 10. Left wing, it will be Velebai. I know abantu bamthanda as an impact player, and it has been working. For this game, I think he should be started. I would like to see Kaiser Chiefs game ibulala in the first half, kill the game, score 2 goals in the first half. This thing of scoring late is very tricky, is very dangerous, because it ends up giving the opponent hope that they could walk away with a point, even. So they end up being very defensive. Maninga Gori end up trying to at least walk away with that point. So it's very important that we score very early in the game. Sibula in the early game. So I'm playing my best players in the first half. Fundo Vilagazi. Yes, last game after that assist, he kind of did not have a good game. He was losing balls here and there. But I think against Makesi, he will do very well. And we know him. Fundo Vilagazi, he's a very good player. And I'm starting him. Striker, Lilepo. We saw him last game. Lilepo. With Gaston Sirino behind him, I think he can score 2-3 goals even this game. But I'm pushing it. 3 on Kaibo. Yes, he could score a hat-trick. But again, let's not push it. Lilepo, very good ball striker. And with Iko Daro injured, Kanyisa Mayo, is he also injured? I don't know what's happening with him. And also Flavio Silva, with all these guys unavailable, I think he is our best option in that striker position. Dupres, Wandile Duba, they can all come on in the second half. Lilepo, best shooter, not just because he scored. We've been saying it, analysts have been saying it, top analysts have been saying it, that this guy is a striker, and we can all see it. He is a striker, likes shooting, very good ball striker. He has the height as well. He can head at the ball if balls are being put in the box. So let play him as a striker. I know that position, yes, striker at Kaiser Chiefs is fully packed. Since these guys are unavailable, play Lilepo as a striker, yeah, he's gonna score. So my scoreline prediction will be Kaiser Chiefs to win this game by, I think, 3-0. I think this is the game where we will finally score at least 3 goals. We've been 1-0 FC for since December. Since last year, bro. We've been 1-0 FC. Yo. I think this is the game that we should use to break that record. It'll go 1-0, 1-0, 1 goal FC. Okay, this is my lineup. Buffet 2. I have Bruce Wuma in goals, right back, Solomons, left back, Cross, center backs, Miguel and Guinica, 6, Mabue, 8, Gundlovu, attacking midfielder, Gaston Sturino, Velepai as a left winger, right winger, Mfundo Vilagazi, striker, Makapi, Lilepo. The test is why we win a game Gobani 3-0. Let me know what you think in the comments, because I don't think you guys are gonna agree with me, Mandy T. So we win a game go 3-0, because you guys still believe that we are 1-0 FC. And I think in this game, Sizogesiye against 4-1, so 1-0 FC. So yeah, we're scoring 3 goals. Don't forget to like the video, it's very important. And also subscribe to the channel if you are new. Go follow my Facebook page as well, because I think that's the page where I'll be dropping a lot of videos and also updates. It's easier to make an update on Facebook because you just write a post. You don't have to make a video. You just write a post and post it. I think it's very important that we all support the Facebook page. I think I only have like 100 brothers who are supporting. Shout out to them who are already there. I also need you guys to go and support the Facebook page. So please do pull up, like the video. I will see you on the next one.